Hello and welcome to How to Prompt AI. In today's tutorial, we're going to create a fun and impressive AI application, an app that can turn any photo into a beautiful pencil sketch. We'll be using a technique that's easy to follow, even if you're new to AI. You might be wondering how this works. At its core, we're using a computer vision technique that involves a few simple steps: converting the image to grayscale, inverting the colors, and then applying a Gaussian blur. The result is a surprisingly realistic pencil sketch effect. The best part is you don't need to be a coding genius to do this. We'll be using a popular Python library called OpenCV, which makes complex computer vision tasks much more accessible. We'll walk through the code step by step. First, let's set up our project. You'll need to have Python and pip installed on your system. Then we'll install the OpenCV library by running a simple command in the terminal: pip install opencv-python. Now that we have OpenCV installed, let's write the Python script. We'll start by importing the library and then loading our input image. You can use any image you like for this project. Next, we'll convert the image to grayscale. This is an important step because it simplifies the image and makes it easier to process. We'll use the CV color function from OpenCV to do this. With our grayscale image ready, the next step is to invert the colors. This will create a negative of the image, which is a key part of the pencil sketch effect. Now for the magic touch, the Gaussian blur. This will soften the image and create the smudged, hand-drawn look of a pencil sketch. We'll use the Gaussian blur function for this. Finally, we'll blend the grayscale image and the blurred image to create our final pencil sketch. This is done by dividing the grayscale image by the inverted blurred image. And there you have it, a beautiful pencil sketch created with just a few lines of Python code. You can now save the image to a file using cv2.imwrite. This is just a starting point. You can experiment with different blur levels and even create a simple web application to let users upload their own images and see the results in real time. The possibilities are endless. That's all for this tutorial. We hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next AI adventure. Thanks for watching.